Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make delicious mixed raita. This refreshing side dish is incredibly easy to prepare and perfect for any meal. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need 2 cups of fresh, plain yogurt, along with your favorite vegetables like cucumber, onion, and tomato. We will also use a few simple spices to enhance the flavor. Make sure your yogurt is well chilled for the best results. Now, let's prepare our vegetables. Begin by finely chopping 1 cup of cucumber, 1/2 cup of onion, and 1/4 cup of tomato. For the cucumber, it is a good idea to gently squeeze out any excess water after chopping. This step helps prevent your raita from becoming too watery. Ensure all your vegetables are diced into small, uniform pieces so they blend well with the yogurt and provide a pleasant texture in every bite. Next, it is time to mix everything together and add our seasonings. In a large bowl, combine the 2 cups of plain yogurt with all your finely chopped vegetables. Then, add 1/2 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, which gives a wonderful earthy aroma. Follow this with a pinch of black salt and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder for a subtle kick. Finally, stir in a few fresh mint leaves, finely chopped, for an extra layer of freshness. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. Our mixed raita is almost ready. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and refrigerate the raita for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Before serving, you can garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves or a light sprinkle of red chili powder for a pop of color. Serve this delicious and refreshing mixed raita chilled alongside your favorite biryani, pulao, or any Indian meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.